are into the second class of areas. I gave you your homework. Hope you did it. Let us check the answer. Prove the triangles have same area. See, for you to understand, I have drawn it on the board. 4 centimeter base, 3 centimeter is one side, 50 degree is one angle. So you got triangle ABC. Second triangle, sides are 4, 3, but the angle is obtuse, 130 degree. That you can see here. Triangle ABD. The angle here, the angle at A is 130 degree. Now you can understand the third vertex of both triangles are on a line. I have joined it using a scale. Do you understand, children? The third vertex of both this triangle are on a line. So again, come to our idea. What did we learn in the previous class? All triangles with the same base and third vertex on a line parallel to the base have same area. So these two triangles have same area. Is it clear? To find out whether the two triangles have same area, it is enough if you check the two sides and the angle made by the two sides. Is it clear? The two sides and the angle made here, 50 degree, angle made here is 130 degree. 50 plus 130, 180 degree. Therefore, these two angles are supplementary. So, the two triangles will always have same area. I will give you one more example. Instead of 50 degree, you can have 60 degree. In that case, this angle would be 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Hope the idea is clear. Now see this question. This is an important question for exam. In the picture below, the lines parallel to each side of the blue triangle through the opposite vertex are drawn. You can see a triangle in the middle. Now lines are drawn through opposite vertex, that is opposite to this side. Let me name this side as AB for your convenience. Parallel to AB, a line is drawn through this vertex. That is through the vertex C, a line is drawn. Now parallel to AC, a parallel line is drawn through B. Similarly, opposite to BC, a parallel line is drawn through A. Question: how many triangles in the picture have the same area as that of the blue triangle? Blue triangle is nothing but our shaded triangle. Children, hope the question is clear to you. You can see a shaded triangle in the middle. Our question is, how many triangles in the figure have same area as that of the blue triangle? I am naming the bigger triangle as PQR. Now we are using our idea. All triangles with the same base and third vertex on a line parallel to the base have same area. So very clearly you can see from the picture, with base AB you have triangle APB, ACB and AQB. So you triangle triangle AQD have same area as that of the shaded triangle. Now take the base as AC. See here, AC is the base. With AC as the base, see like this. AC is the base. With AC as the base, you have again two triangles. That is AQC, ARC. Have same area as that of ABC. I am writing the answer here. Triangle AQC, AQC, and also triangle ARC have same area as that of this shaded triangle. Is it clear? Now take BC as the base and you tell me the answer. BC is the base. So let me show you like this. You can see BAC is the shaded triangle. The triangles with the same area are BRC and also BPC. Triangle BRC and also triangle BPC have same area as that of the shaded triangle. Is it clear? Now I will show you 3 more triangles of the same area, for which you just look at this portion. That is, you have to look at ABCP. ABCP is a parallelogram. So ACP is the triangle having same area as that of ABC. So I am writing the answer here. Triangle APC is having area same as that of triangle ABC. Also, look at this figure now. ABQC is again a parallelogram, for which BC is the diagonal. So the shaded area and the area of triangle BQC are one and the same. Similarly, look at this portion. ARBC is a parallelogram, for which AB is the diagonal. A diagonal of a parallelogram divide a parallelogram into 2 equal triangles. So here we get one more triangle, that is triangle ARB. Is it clear to you? So how many triangles have the same area as that of the shaded triangle? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles have the same area as that of the shaded triangle. Give a clear idea in this problem. I have drawn this part alone separately. See here, ABC connected to this point P. Now AB is parallel to PC. Also BC is parallel to AP. Hence it is a parallelogram. Diagonal of a parallelogram divide a parallelogram into 2 equal triangles. And so you can very well say area of triangle ABC and area of triangle APC are one and the same. Hope it is very clear to you. Draw the triangle in your notebook. Rough figure is given. 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 60 degree. Question. Draw triangle ABP, BCQ, CAR of same area with measures given below. Look at the first question. Angle BAP is equal to 90 degree. For drawing such a triangle, first of all, I have drawn this triangle here with measurement. AB is 7. For 60 degree, a line is drawn. For 5 centimeter, an arc is cut. Join C to B, got the triangle. Now come to the first question. Angle BAP is equal to 90 degree. That is, take the base as BA. Now P will be a point on this parallel line. Through C, draw a line. Through C, draw a line parallel to the base. Through C, I have drawn a line parallel to the base. Now we have to measure BAP is equal to 90 degree. B is here, A is here. P is going to be on this straight parallel line. Measure 90 degree at A. See here, I have marked 90 degree using protractor. Join it. Join the vertex A with 90 degree and name this point as P. Now join P to AB. P is joined to B. So you got a triangle for which AB is the base. So for triangle ABC and also for triangle APB, base is same, third vertex is on a line parallel to the base. So areas are equal. Now this angle is 90 degree. Okay. See the next question. Angle BCQ is equal to 60 degree. Without changing the area of this triangle, we are going to draw another triangle for which angle BCQ is equal to 90 degree. So take BC as the base. With BC as base, Q should be taken on a point which is drawn parallel to A. So take BC as the base, draw a line parallel to BC through A and mark 60 degree like the first problem. Similarly, last one, angle ACR is equal to 30 degree. So take AC as the base. Taking AC as the base and ACR is equal to 30 degree, complete the triangle. So these two questions are for you to do. If you have any doubt, I will clear it in the next class. Thank you.